Hey guys, what's up? Justin F. Wild Outdoor Adventures here. Today we are going to be learning about maple seeds, also known helicopters, maple saplings. I did not know this, but I've foraged up some. You can actually eat these. We're going to boil them down for 3 minutes. We're going to saute them in some butter and salt and pepper, and we're going to brown them, and then we're going to try them out. So here's what they look like if you don't know what they look like. Every helpful information that you can find to survive in the woods. Watch this, you just take that and you remove that. We have the seed and you can eat this. They say you can eat this raw. I mean, should I try it out now? Oh, fuck it, why not? Oh shit. It's got a bitter taste to it, but not too bad. So let me get my water in here. I'm cooking it outside because I don't know what they're going to smell like. So whenever I saute them, so I'm going to boil them out here for 3 minutes after I deshell them, and I will be right back and we'll get to boiling them and then saute them. Getting ready to start the fire for the boiling the water. I'm doing this outside because, well, I don't know what it's going to smell like. Like I said, I'm putting a little salt in the water. It's going to boil up pretty quick. Fingers got tired, but right there's the sapling seeds I did. There you go. I'm going to throw these in there. And if you can see that, that's Mountain Dew, that's not pee. So, get out my Chow Light fork spoon. Give it a good stir. Well, while that's coming to a boil, I'm gonna start my butter and my saute over here. Got some Himalayan salt. Got some ground black pepper. Get all that in there already. Got you there. Gonna melt that down and throw the seeds on top of it whenever she comes to a boil. Get you real quick. So we went from Yellow Mountain Dew, from maple saplings, the seeds inside to bring to a boil, to sauteing them. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this water to a boil and then I'll be right back. And we are scraping the seeds out of the water that I strained out of my pot here. That's what that looks like. Down on the fire, let's melt down some butter. See if I can get you any closer. Yeah, there you go. We're just gonna put these seeds. That's probably too much butter. Probably enough there. Well, we're gonna brown these seeds up. Man, it smells good. Of course, it's the butter, but it's also them seeds. When I was tasting it kind of raw, right out of the pot, it kind of tasted like a, I'm gonna take that piece out of there too, so it don't melt before I get it. It kind of tasted like a snap pea, so not too awful bad. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be making dandelion tea today. Well, I am going to be making it if I can find enough dandelions, but I'll be making that for us today. I'm not really up on eating salads. I'm not really a rabbit, but yeah. If you can get most of that butter to drain off. Fork around there. Push them seeds up. See what we did there? Just kind of browned them up a little bit. Turn off my gas stove here, put that out the way. There it is, guys. Let me get you turned around here and we'll try them out. I'll give you my honest opinion. All right, guys, so we just did maple seeds, maple saplings, helicopters. We foraged for them here in the yard, actually. They're everywhere here in West Virginia. We de-seeded them. We boiled them for about 3 to 4 minutes. I guess that's to kill any parasite or anything. And then I took butter, salt, and pepper, and I fried it to a brown crisp. Let me get you in here. Here's what it looks like. Now I'm saying, if you don't put the butter on it, I got you. Give me a minute. Because I think I want to say asparagus. Man, that's good. Not going to share these with my family. Once again, I heard that you can eat these. This is kind of a test run for me. I looked it up. Multiple places say you can eat them, so I want to make sure that I don't get sick. And then if I don't get sick by tomorrow, I'll forage some more and let the family try. Guys, that's a winner. If you're hungry in the woods, maple seeds. Guys, stick around. I'm gonna make some dandelion tea today. If you would, please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out. I'm trying to make it to 200 this year. Hit the like button and share this with your family and friends. Across all your medias is going to help me out. It's going to help me grow and get some more word out to people. Anyway, that one was a bit bitter. But yeah, until next time, guys. Justin F. Wild Outdoor Adventures. Peace.